In primetime news this evening, poverty CPFSA study lists the major factors driving child labor and street living. Cultural shift needed. Academia says more needed in order to achieve new Sexual Harassment Act objectives. And later, internal election. PNP nominates vice president candidates amidst fears of more disunity. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening, we're asking what more can be done to reduce the number of children living and working on the streets. You can keep those comments coming, or you can rather share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam. Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.